In this video, I'm going to show you how to filter a list in Adalo. First of all, add your list on your screen. In my case, I have a list of books. Once you have added the list, you also need to add a drop-down menu. For this, click on the plus icon on the left-hand side of your screen and search for drop-down menu. Once you see it, simply add it to your screen. Once your screen is ready, click on the database icon on the left-hand side. This is the most important section, and you need to understand it carefully. First, you will have a database of your list items. In my case, this is the books database. Click on Records to see the records, and you will see that I have 3 books with their names listed. This shows all the items of your list. After checking your items, you need to create a separate database for the category names that you want to use to filter your data. Click on Add to Database, then click Add Collection. First, type the name of the collection, and I suggest you type Categories, then click Add. A property called Name will be created by default. You need to create a second property by clicking Add Property. From the drop-down menu, hover over Relationship. Then, from the side menu, select the database you want to filter. In my case, it is the books database. Next, it will ask why you want to set it up. Set it so that a single category can have multiple items. Because one category can contain multiple books, then click Done and Save. Now, click on Records in this new property and type in the names of the filtering options. To add a new option, click Add Category and type the name. For example, I added Drama and clicked Save. Then I added Science, clicked Save, and finally added Fiction and clicked Save. Once all categories are created, click Done. Go back to your main database, which in my case is Books. You will now see the relationship you created called Category. Click on Records and assign each book to a category. For example, the first book is assigned to Drama, the second book to Science, and the third book to Fiction. After assigning all items, click Done. Next, click on your drop-down menu on the screen. From the left-hand menu, select the database containing the categories you just created. Make sure the label field is set to Name. Then select your list on the screen. Scroll down to the subtitle option and click the Add Magic Text icon. Hover over Category and select Name. This will show the category name as a subtitle. Finally, add a filter to your list. Click on Add Custom Filter. Select Category, Name, choose Contains, and in the third drop-down, hover over Other Components, then drop down and select Name. This ensures that the list only shows items whose category matches the selected filter. Once everything is set up, test your app by clicking View App and then Staging Preview. Selecting Fiction will show only the books in that category. Selecting Science will show only books in the Science category, and so on. And this is how you can filter a list in Adalo.